Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 11. Student, in this video we are going to learn how to solve the problem based on random, randant and rand-range function. The question may be arise in your term exam as well as board exam of your 12th class also. So they are interchangeably. So we are going to consider the example of rand-range function. So let's begin. So as you can see student, here I have already typed a particular program in front of you. Okay, the question is study the following program and select the possible out from it. So you can see a code will given to you, and here will be option, that is maybe option 1 2 3 4 or 5, whatever. Okay, so in this case I have taken two type of option that is correct in this such case. Okay, in generally in question paper there will be 4 option, in that only one option will be what thing, true or maybe possible output. Okay, so here you can consider. So we have imported the random function. Okay, I am to say random module, and then after that we have taken a variable that's name is points, whose value is initiated by 0 plus random rand range function. Okay, we have just used the random as variable. Then after that method name, I am to say function name rand range, it's from 0 to 100. It means to say it will start from 0 to 100, or directly we can type simply 100, or it can be look like this also, simply because if there is no value it will consider as what thing, this will consider as 0. Okay, beginning number. And then after that we have just traversed it. I'm to say we are processed it through the loop, where the loop variable is p, and we have just used the range function. That point will initiate the variable, that is loop variable p. Okay, so here is point, whatever assigned to the point we don't know till now. Okay, and this point will initiate to p loop variable. Okay, and you can see that it will run till then 50. I am to say n minus 1. Okay, what will decide? Okay, and then value minus 1, it means to say till then 51 it will run. Okay student, so here we got the clue, the loop will run till then 51 due to the negative loop. Okay, if it is positive 2, so we can say that what thing, 49, because n minus 1 is a consider. Okay, and then after that we have just simply print p, whatever the value will come, then after that hash, and then after that continuation of line until the whole loop will be terminated. Okay, and now we are going to study its what thing, options. First option will say that 71 will print first, then 45, then 46, and so on till then 51. So here we got the one clue, that is 51, that is correct. Now we are going to check another content of this particular option also. First, suppose that 71 is initiated to point, and then after that directly it is jumped to 45. So let us understand how it is possible according to the programming code. So you can see, suppose that 71 initiate to point, next step minus 1, it means to say after that 70 should become, it means to say this particular option is not correct, option 1 is incorrect. Okay, and now we are going to talk about option 2. Option 2 says if the first value is 100, suppose that first value is 100, then second value definitely 99, that is good chance to have the I'm say condition will be true, then 98, and so on till then 50. As I teach you, the last point will be 51 due to the negative loop, so it will be also a false. I am to say this will be not considered as a particular true condition. So now we are going to study the option number 3 student. So option number 3, it said first value will be 51. Yes, it may be possible. Okay, any value can be considered under the point, and this will print this one thing. So let us understand. So here suppose that 51, so after that you can say that 50 is print. So it is not possible according to the loop condition, because if suppose that 51 initiated by range function to the point, and the point will initiate 51, so okay, 50 will be print, 51 will be print. Okay, then after that 50 will not print. Why? Because n minus 1, 51 till then 51 it will print due to the negative loop, and till then 0, so it is never going to be print. Okay, so this will also false. Now we are going to consider the option number 4. Option number 4, you can see here is 92. Yes, 92 is possible initiated by range function to the point. Okay, and then after that we can consider the 92 will print first because of this particular point. 92 is bigger than 50 and minus 1, so 92. Okay, 91 because minus 1, 90, that is good, and at last so on till then 51. Yes, it is, this possibility is possible. Let me to say this option number 4 is possible. Now we are going to understand fifth option, that is nothing. There is no output of that. So consider the what thing, the random range given the number lesser than 51. So in this situation what will happen? Suppose that 50 initiated by this random range function to the point, and in this condition 50 and 50 minus 1, it means to say it will, there is no chance to print. So this is also possible to true. Okay, or we can say that 7 initiated by this particular random range function to point, so in this condition also will not true. So student, option number 4 and option number 5 is possible answer. So I have already noted down the number of the output you can see in this particular picture. So here is 71, 70, 69, 68 till then 51, that is also true. 77 to 51, you can see every number are in continuation by decreasing by 1. Okay, 51, so here you can see 67 to 51, 92 to 51. Here you can see there are 2 times there is nothing, no, I mean to say there is no output. So we will run it and check it whether it comes or not. There is possible answer we are going to check. The student, that doesn't mean the exact answer will come. That dot ellipse means continuation. Okay, so let's see first output. Okay, so it will show you from 80 to 51. Okay, you can see from 80 to 51. So there is, you can see 80 to 51, it looks like this one, but it is jumped. Okay, you can see 50. Okay, and now again we are going to compare. I'm saying run it the next one time. You can see 85 to 51. Okay, that is also considered under the fourth option. 56 to 51. Yes, so multiple times we can get the output, different output. So student, in this particular case, you can see student, there is nothing output. It means to say option number 5 is correct. So student, we are going to just check the possibility which one is possible output among these options through this particular code. So student, I hope you have learned this particular program, okay, and its functionality. Okay, how to get the output, how to get the find out the correct option from the given option. Okay, based on this particular program. And student, you will keep doing practice like this question. Okay, and you will do the practice with random, rand range and rand int function in the place of this particular function also. So till then student, thank you and have a nice day.